Look at the daily. You have this. Boom. Fibs, look at this. Respective. Here, comes down, test 70.6. Shoots up above 88.6. You could look for a retest on 88.6, but it formed what? A lower high here. Look at this. High here, lower high, inside here. Right? Now look, big shift down. I want you to see something. Even if we take this one, this low, this high, look where that falls right in. It's like a 5 pip difference. See this 38.2, see the 50 it's shorting off of right here? So in this entire area here, this 38 to 50% is basically like a short zone, in my opinion. Me personally, I like waiting for that. I mean, it almost kind of touched the 750. I can see that there. So another confirmation for that would be this. I don't know why. I don't know why TradingView is like being weird with their crosshairs or something. I don't know. Like, it's crazy. You guys see that trend line? See the retest, retest, retest? Yeah. So, what you can see here is obviously on the daily, you can see it is respecting that. Let's delete all this. This broke into trend line, but on the daily, you can see broke below 80.6, broke below 80.6. Now retest should continue down, at least back to the 70.6, or even down into 618, because that 618 is what would for complete that. You know, it fails break above here, then fails again, right up top here. Look at all that. You see all that failure, and then boom. Regardless of this candle, there's a big shift down on what? Look at H4. Look at the size of the candles. Look at the size. Bam, shift down, completes an ABC wave up into here, whatever. Swipe trades, baby. Let's get it. We have kind of a similar setup on USD CHF. Still kind of waiting for that. I gotta like look at it, but you see this black line here? That's 0.97730. The reason I have that, let's just go back. It's basically this major level I have drawn here. Look at that. I haven't touched this chart. I have different charts. You see over here when you type in a pair, you have XXCM, IDC, and Iwanda. You can see this chart here, I haven't touched, but this black line is still being respected, major level. So if I were to go here, you see, actually I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to go to the new trade. You can see here, swing high, swing low, fibs, you see that 618? 618 falls exactly in that same exact area. You also have a zone right inside here. here, time frame, the same exact fib gets respected. Look, breaks above 88.6, comes down, almost tests the 70.6, breaks above, tests the 70.6. See that wick? Wick 70.6. Now you see this candle coming up here. Probably going to go up what? The 618 is the next level to take a rejection down off of. Very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Cannot get much simpler than that. GJ, I think, would be shorting off this level, just knowing that this is a major level, and look where price did. Already had a rejection. So this should probably make its way down as well. Regardless of this, the fib here, like, you know, you got to understand, even if we were to take the new fibs, this is all I do. See the 78.6 right there, 78.6. Could go up to the 618, but I feel like this is that wick indecision. We're on a 30-minute. Let's just see here on a doodoo. Here, MA's cross, test the MA's, 78.6 here. Yep. So probably a good shorting opportunity here. Again, you got to understand today's Thursday night, so you can't really expect too much to happen inside of the market, because tomorrow is you know, Friday, end of the week, so on and so forth. So not really going to be looking for too much, but you know, we're still going to try to make it happen and see what's going on. Some good setups going on here. But yes, this was a big shift down. Look at these candles. Bam, shift. What are we going to be looking for? A short. See how it comes up and tests at 38.2? Look, 38.2. Rejection. I'm using the same fibs on this one. Look at this wave here. Any wave. So again, let's go back. USD/JPY. If I were to go up, let's go back. Where's the one I had? It's this one. Yep, right here. Just want to see real quick. I'm actually going to go to a fresh chart. We're going to do this from scratch. Look at this. See this black line I have here? It's another black line I just have drawn. Just tested it over this wave over here. It's crazy how everything gets respected. Anyway, let's remove it. Start off on a big monthly. So we're looking for major levels. What I mean by major levels is we're looking for areas in the market that act as support and resistance. For those of you who don't know what support and resistance is, it's where that level acts as resistance, which is the ceiling. So price bounces off like, you know, you're to hit a ceiling, and then you have acting as support. So up in here. So see this, a level that acts as support and resistance. So let's find some. So here I'm actually going to use horizontal line. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to do like a dark gray. And I'm going to line these out. I'm going to change it to line. So, and we're going to thin them out. So on a monthly, you see that right there? Support, resistance. Support, resistance. See this where price is now? So there's a couple monthlies. Now let's just go down to the dailies. I'm actually going to change these like to this. There we go, that's better. Change the color too. I can't really see the dark grays. Let's just change where price is relevant here. Alright, let's go back to that monthly. Let's see where that monthly is. Respected. See that? Support resistance. So that is, this level right here is a major level. So it's a monthly 12.700. Just keep it at that. Let's go to the daily. Let's try to find the same thing. So, daily, let's try to find some levels. We're actually going to change this back to regular lines. Do some red. I'm going to find some levels. Right here, see that? Oh, we don't need text on it. So we just know the red lines will be dailies. I don't do too many. I don't like cluttered charts. Whoever can trade off a cluttered chart, all the more power to you, but I like simple. So that's all the two I need, and where price is in this area. 4 hour, we'll go down, we'll change it to like a color, and you'll see why I do thin lines and thick lines in a second. Let's try to find some 4 hours. I'll do a couple of these. I don't know what's going on with this trading view, but it's making me irritating. See? Alright. Right, there's one. Do you guys see how on the line chart it's acting as support and resistance? You're just looking for there's areas that act as support and resistance. Boom, there we go. Alright, let's go back to the candles. Candles, see that? Look at that. Perfect. Alright. So, we're on the 4 hour chart. What do you notice here? You see a wave up here, but look at this. Look at this wave down. I want you to notice something. Daily. Daily swing. What happens? Retracement up. Look. Big shift down. 4 hour. Look at the candles. Down. Wicks down. Look at the red line. Look at the red line. Daily, daily, daily. Test. Now retracing up. Look at this monthly. Broken monthly level. Even if we were to take our fibs down and around here, I don't know what is going on with this trading view, but it's not my internet. I just got the upgraded blast 200 megabytes today, so I don't know what it is. But anyway, see the 50%? See the 38.2 right now, 827? Boom. What magnet? Oh, wow. Thank you. I did not know that. I was wondering what was going on. I didn't even know there was a magnet on TradingView. Shows how much I know, right? JK. Anyway, let's get it going. So here, and if I were to take this swing down to here, look at that. You see that 618? Look, comes down, tests at 23.6. Now watch this. When I take my thick lines, I can go from any wave. $23. Oh, let's make it thick. Get it all thick. 38.2. 618, because 50 is not a real level for me. I just have it up there to see the midway of the market. 78.6, 88.6. Do you guys see that? Watch this. 1 hour. Yes, you are supposed to draw it, but I don't. I do it differently because it's more accurate, in my opinion. To me, anyway. So look at this. Breaks down. Bam. 23.6. Breaks above 23.6. What? Test of 38.2. See that? 38.2 rises up. Now it's what? 61.8. Just hit the 618 here. Looking for that short opportunity. Right here off the 618. Already had a nice rejection here. At least for a sell into this right here. Stops. Look at the stop. If you want to go above the high, it's like 40 some pips. Me personally, I don't think it's going to go past here. So like 20, 25 pips. If you want to go above 88.6, you can go 30 if you want. All good. But look, already a couple pips in profits. Put like 5 standards on this thing. Just kidding. No, but for real. So how would we know a target? So let's nick this fibs. Let's take the new fibs, and what I mean by that is this low here, low to this high. See that? So extensions. Now let's change this color and change it to blue. Oh, I like this blue. Targets wise, swing end would be 127 to 1618. Be the swing end. Right, so 127 would be down in here, which would be a 68 pip move. Trading View is the bomb. If you guys don't have Trading View, highly need to get it if you want to take your charting serious. Definitely necessary. So, but here it could hit the 38.2. Could hit this 38.2. Almost did. But it's still in this entire zone. See this risk? 30 pips right here. So this is UJ. Yes, I will send a screenshot of this. Just hold on 1 second. I actually like this fit better. Confirmations on confirmations. What color do I want? What color do I want? Yellow? Yeah, the yellow. our targets would be like, yeah, right here. Let me get rid of this so it's not confusing. Not talking right now, guys. I'm analyzing this up. Possible signal. Okay, just give me a second real quick. Get to my life a little bit. If you have Facebook, add me on Facebook. Justin Adams. Alright. Let's get this going on. All I want is... This is how I send the swipe. Oh my god. There we go. Back to this. I gotta guys give me 1 second here. What Euro NZD? No trader has called Euro NZD on the swipe team. Up a little bit here. Let's see. $23. Could be 23. Someone did call. See something real quick. No news going on, no nothing. USD is just bullish. Some type of news event probably just happened or something. Some type of whatever. Let's check gold. See that? Senate passes a budget. Yep, there it goes. Shooting down. Guys, I just sent an alert for UCHF. Interesting. Look at this. Comes down. Boom. See this arrow I had? I had this arrow drawn here. Boom. Look at that. Shift down. Everything shifted. Everything shifted. Because the Senate passes some stuff and the dollar increases value. Look at that. Test 78.6. Bam. You do not want to get caught in that candle and stuff. Typically, would have shorted off there, but let's check out what's going on. Yep, euro would be dropping too. Yep, right there. Bam. Euro done. Gone. GBP, JPY, what'd that do? That probably shot up too. Yep. Shot up. Bam. Gone. See that? Yeah, I don't see it stopping. Yep, GJ will go up, UJ will continue to go up. Guys, your GPB signals a swing trade. Do you know what a swing trade is? It's a longer term trade. And there's 2 entry points on that too, if you don't remember. So you can see DXY, strong candle here. Everything just gonna, USD related, just gonna, gold gonna continue to tank. Look at that, bam. Continue to tank, shift down. EU gonna continue down. Bam, shift down. Here JPY shot up. Look at that, so funny. Wick down, bam, keep going up. Oh, yep, GU continues to fall. No, USG will not fall. Yeah, I sent USD CHF a lot. Like, you can look at the time. Like 10 minutes ago. It was only down 10 pips. Send it past the budget, that's right. USD JPY will not fall. I just discussed that. Why would you think it's gonna fall after something like this? Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see this candle? Look at this momentum. Shift up. So now what can we do? Well, we're gonna look for a pullback and then buy the crap out of it. Let's better analyze this and why. So, if I were to take this high to this low, you can see price hit with daily. Oh man, we can see that wick down into here. 50%. nice cross, bam, gone. Okay, simple. So this will probably continue up to, let's see here, 1272, at least into these levels, 113.550 and 114. So, got these strong candles here. After this retracement down, boom, rejection, rejection, rejection. So, all good. That news crazy. Let's take another look at gold. I have the setup here. Look at that, 618. Bam! Down. So guys, I let these play out. I would not try to get inside of these after it moves down like this. Let the hour close. Let's see what happens. But yes, let it close and then try to find retracement. See what happens. Your alt is a longer term type trade. Let it play out. It can drop to the floor. So you all gotta start being a little bit more patient and stop dropping lots that you guys can't afford if you guys are worried about it. Follow risk management. That's the key to the kingdom. I'm telling you, 6 out of 10 trades following the same risk on every single trade. You're a profiting trader. 6 out of 10. So let's get it, guys. Big week. This week on swipe trades, we're up like 400 pips. And yeah, so we're going to get it going. Guys, I'll see you on Tuesday nights, 9 p.m. here in the trade room. We're going to be here live, going over live analysis, so on and so forth. So let's get it, guys. Much love. I appreciate every single one of you, and let's get these pips. And if there's nothing for the rest of the week, stay out the market. We profited well this week. Sometimes it's just best to stay out. So let's get it, guys. Much love.